Do mosquitoes keep you awake at night? Do you always find mosquitoes in your room? Have you wondered why these mosquitoes suddenly appear during the early morning hours? Well, if you have given up hope and feel that you don't have any solution, then this video is just for you. Mosquitoes most likely enter your room through the air vents. Let's keep them outside. We're going to put netting or insect screens on both the internal and external air vents. Fix and position the fiberglass adhesive tape with small openings to keep insects out. Press firmly on the edges. Remove dirt and dust and wipe clean. Apply silicone on the edges. Press mesh on silicone and fix in position. Please adhere to safety standards when working on ladders. Can you hear the birds? It's like sweet music in my ears while I'm busy outside. Press neatly into position. The silicone acts as an adhesive to keep the mesh screen in place. Wait for the silicone to dry. Use sandpaper to smooth surface as soon as silicone is dry.